This is war. I have a 4-part strategy to getting this garden bed under control. Number 1, secure the perimeter. Number 2, neutralize the enemy. I'm going to pull weeds. Number 3, protect your asset. In this case, tomatoes and peppers. And number 4, this is the late bloomer in me. Make it beautiful. Number 2 and number 3 are getting a little muddled because the weeds are so intertwined with the tomato vines. I'm just trying to quickly get some of the vines off the ground so I can access the weeds. And I still haven't finished number 1, which is secure the perimeter, so bear with me. This could go so fast if I just had some of my clips. You know, the clips I've used for the whole time in the late bloomer garden? It makes securing tomato vines so fast and so easy. It's the best thing I've ever used, and you can order those through my Amazon link. Scroll down in the garden storefront and you can find them. And boy, I wish I had about 500 of those right now. But I don't. So, and I had to get on a shirt because I came out here without sunscreen. So, this is going to be totally sunburned. It's a little hard to see, but there are a lot of tomatoes down here on the ground. And this is why you want to pick up your vines, because otherwise your fruit is ripening on the ground and has a good chance of rotting. Tomatoes are just a sprawling vine, and we are the ones that control them for best production. This bed has been cultivated and put compost on for years, and so it's really great soil, but weeds are very attracted to it. So we're going to take out some of the weeds in this section so you can kind of get an idea of what's growing that we want to be growing underneath. Come on. Losing some tomatoes in here. I want to beat back this edge of weeds, expand our perimeter. I'm going to move this back. Try to beat back some of these weeds. I see. Oh, there was a wire put on this bamboo. That was not the best thing to tie this down with. Just going to clean up these tomatoes pick up this vine, take out the weeds, and okay, as you can see, we got a lot of tomatoes here. But as you can also see, this we got a big problem. This is got broken. Those are not going to ripen. Also got some serious spots going, and I'm not exactly sure what kind of fungal disease this is. That's pretty serious spotting, and I have actually not had that in my garden, so I don't know exactly what that is. Okay, now I just want to, you see this was originally put up with a bamboo apparatus which got beaten down in the storm, or the weight of it got beaten down. So we're going to try to reclaim all this. Ow. A little too short. Darn it. Okay. Whew. This section. Okay, I need a longer piece. Okay, I need a longer piece. Whew. I'm hot. I thought it was going to stay cloudy and cool, but it didn't. I have just one piece of advice. Don't let weeds get out of control. Don't let your tomatoes get out of control. But you know, some things happen, and you know, some people aren't able to get after it, and that's what's so beautiful about, you know, finding people to help you and barter, and you know, they get food, you get food, you know. I'm just gonna take a little break, and then I'm gonna get right back to it. But this is more than a one-day job. One of the biggest reasons not to let your tomatoes crawl all over the ground like this is because of the closer to the ground they are, the better chance they have of getting fungal diseases. here's a pepper. Once we get the tomato vines out of here, the pepper's going to need some support. Look at the size of this thing. Oh boy, that's going to be challenging. Wow. Okay, if you can see that this is a pepper that was never pruned. It's one big long piece, and it's just now getting little tiny blooms on it. I think it's too late to top it, so I'm going to stake this. I hope you'll stay with me and watch my channel, and I'm gonna be in the city, I'm gonna be in the country. I don't know where I'm gonna be, but hopefully everything that I bring you will be informative and entertaining. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for your support. What was number 2? Let's see. It's so hot I can't think. Phew, not used to this humidity. Number 2 was, let's see. It's hard to think when it's hot, you know? Neutralize the enemy.